Space, the final frontier. These are the voyages of the starship Enterprise. Its 5-year mission, to explore strange new worlds, to seek out new life and new civilizations, to boldly go where no man has gone before.
Welcome back to Shedtune and welcome back to Shedtune HQ. So we're still working on the cut down. We've made a little bit of progress since the last video on the cut down you saw. I'm going to give you a walk around and show you what we've done, which to be honest with you isn't that much. But here we go. Right, so last time we'd made quite a bit of progress in getting the dry build done. Since then we've done, well, basically nothing apart from we've put them on and tried to adjust them best to suit my my lanky frame. What else have we done? Obviously I think that was in before, put the exhaust on properly so that fits. Cut the arse end off here because we've been looking at different rear lights and different combos. Fitted the rear set this side, which looks really trick, fully adjustable, and that's about it really. I think we'll do a bit more today. I'm not quite sure what we're going to do yet, but we'll be back in a bit. Right, so here's a dilemma for you, the all-important question of the seat. Which seat should we go with? I quite like the look of that one, but then, hang on a minute, we've had another one turn up today, which is in here, which is a bit more, how should I say, retro. Let's get this out. Unwrap it and ta-da! What do you think? Should we go with that one, or let's swap it over and see what difference it makes? Or maybe go 80s old school with something like that. What do you think? That one or that one? Go on then, stick some comments below, give us your thoughts. I know I've got to ride it, not you guys, so it'll be my arse that hurts, not yours. But in terms of looks, that one or that one. So the plan is get it built as best we can, and then we're going to paint it in here out of rattle cans, just to change the colour for the time being. Then once we've done the ride out, we'll pull it back in, strip it right down, make sure everything's right. The frame will go to powder coat. There'll be some different leg shields, mud guard, forks, sip rims, what else, rear end will change, obviously seat unit, and some accessories, and then we'll put the graphics on it for Shedtune 69 and we'll do an unveil. So Dom's just made a brew, so we're going to have a good think about what we're going to do at the cut down in a minute. But he's just come up with this brilliant idea, because as you can probably see, there isn't a lot of decoration in here.
No, so we're going to clear some of this stuff out of the way and maybe put like Shedtune banner up and some other bits and banners. So if you've got any Scooter Club leg shield banners that you got lying around you don't want, or you want to see your Scooter Club up in lights, send them in to us and we'll put them on the wall of fame. Just something like that, I think.
Something like that, but we'll figure it out in a minute and then we'll come back and show you what we've done. Watch the paintwork. We've noticed something a bit strange while we've been welding. I don't know if you can see it from here, but that back wheel don't quite look in line with the frame, so we're wondering if the frame's bent. So Dom's got a massive bit of angle iron, and what we're going to do is try and see if the wheels are true.
Your one could come over slightly, that edge.
Which way?
That way.
This way. That's touching the front wheel.
Yeah, it needs to come over a bit more. And obviously the front wheels. See that? You've got movement on there, but it's touching,
So both wheels are in a straight line is what we're saying.
as opposed to that, but it's what it is saying is it's in line. It's not throwing it off
Whoo-wee!
at an angle.
I think realistically it's where it's been cut differently here and here, and it just looks,
Or it's
yeah. So we don't think it's got a bent frame, we just think it's been cut strangely.
weird.
Right, so at the moment that's the mock-up of what we're going to be doing. Obviously it's not the final job, because as I said, we're only getting this ready to go to Tick's ride out, and then it'll be coming back and be stripped again for its proper fitting and painting and what have you. Right, that's it for this week's video. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget, give it a thumbs up, maybe a subscribe. Any comments?
Oh, wrong bit.
Yeah. Put some comments below about the seat, the paint colour, whatever, and any ideas you've got about doing a cut down, and we'll completely ignore them and do our own thing anyway.
Yep.
Apart from that, that's it. Stickers, don't forget. That's about it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Can't think of anything else. Right. See you when you're older. Bye.
Goodbye.